2003, I was having one of the best beers of my life in Ireland. 2 days later, I was in a ditch with Scud missiles flying over our heads and wearing gas masks as I faced other Marines in the same position in the desert of the Middle East. And in that position, looking around at all of the huddled masses with our M16s and our gas masks on, fearing the worst, because at that time, of course, we were all told that they had chemical weapons, which turned out not to be true. But during that time and in that position, I had an epiphany. And as I huddled there and looked around, I thought to myself, I need to get back in school. And so when I returned, that was the highest priority for me, was to return to school and take advantage of the educational opportunities that our great nation affords us. Take advantage of things like the GI Bills and things that veterans are not given but work for. These are things that many veterans and many of those who serve in the military put their lives on the line. There are many veterans who, or those in the military who sign up specifically, join the military so that they can have an opportunity to go to school. Some of those, like my friend Raul Moncada, were not so lucky to return. There are a lot of those who signed up specifically for that who did not have the opportunity to return. So when I go to school, and I wear my uniform today in memory of those who cannot be here. And so when I go to school, it is with a purpose, that I'm not only doing it for myself, but I'm also doing it for fellow veterans and those who could not return to be safe. And we are not only under attack in this nation from outside terrorists, we are also under attack from inside domestic enemies. I don't need to tell you that cutting education is an attack on the people. I don't need to tell you that a 32% increase is an attack on the people. I don't need to tell you that to sit in a classroom and have somebody who wants to go to school, who is willing to go to school, who has done everything necessary to go to school, and to be told that they don't have room for them when there are 20 empty seats in that classroom. That is an attack on the people. To represent not only for the current conditions, but for the future. What does the future hold for my children who are in kindergarten and in 6th grade? What will the future be like if the current trend keeps continuing for them? Will there be any chance of education for them in 10 years? In a state and a nation that is so stratified by race, class, and gender, the only equal opportunity that there truly is education. Take away the opportunity for equality. And so that's why I stand in solidarity with you today. Solidarity with the students, with the veterans who go to school and return. Solidarity with the employees who are all being affected by this. This does not just affect us, this affects our society. And so I am proud to be here with you today, and to stand here with you today. It makes me proud to be an American, to see the people of America actually stand up and fight for their rights. And these rights are yours. If you do not fight for them, then they will be taken easily. And so with that being said, I thank you all and urge you, today is just a start. This is not just about a rally. We have to go back to our respective communities and do the work that is going to change.